So, hello guys! Today, I'm going to discuss the new technologies that can aid in the compliance to marine environment protection. The new technology that I'm going to discuss is the AI. Since the arrival of the 21st century society, the main invention that is really efficient for our daily lives is the technology that allows us to circulate almost every aspect of our lives, including the marine environment. AI is one of those technologies that can help us marines and future marines to empower and make our field of work more efficient than ever. One of the rules of AI is the marine field is to improve marine environmental protection. AI offers a wide range of capabilities that can enhance compliance efforts, leading to more effective conservation and management of our oceans. Some of the examples of how AI is making an impact to marine environment protection are: AI combats illegal fishing by analyzing satellite imagery and databases to locate whoever operates illegally. AI helps to clean up ocean debris by AI-powered drones and advanced image satellites. It can identify and trap plastic waste and other debris in the ocean, helping to guide cleanup efforts and prevent further pollution. AI can monitor marine species. AI can help researchers to identify and locate underwater sounds in order to track marine species that can possibly help to assess valuable data or conservation and for research purposes. AI also can predict and manage ocean changes that can help us to be ready beforehand for possible events like harmful algal blooms, ocean acidification, and rising of sea levels. AI can optimize marine spatial planning. AI can analyze data on marine ecosystem, human activity, and environmental factors to help design marine protected areas, manage fisheries sustainability, and minimize conflicts between different uses of the ocean. The use of AI really removes some of the burden that most professions can consider to do, but with today's field of work, which includes AI, it makes the work field easier to handle and to work with. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something. Bye guys!